Abamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about season 8 of Isencane Lengane, guys. Yabo, if you remember last year on the previous season of Isencane Lengane, baze babayenzela intonyana ukuthi kuthiwe usiyacela uyakhuza ngokudelela, and abantu abaningi they were not happy about Isencane Lengane the previous season, guys. No, last year azange idlala Isencane Lengane, kwadlala la umndeni wakadlamuko or ingane zakadlamuko intonyana enjalo, but Isencane Lengane they didn't get another season njengoba bayithola manje. Mara guess what ke people, abantu abaningi bathi bazoyibukela Isencane Lengane and deep down they enjoy the show. From what I saw, uyachubeka umfana akakhuli, usiyacela bona ukhula ingqondo, akukhula ingqondo, ukhula iminyaka kuphela. Usiyacela ke this season udelela abomamncane bakhe, angithi sazi bakudlamuka akasekho emhlabeni. Usiyacela ubiza abomamncane bakhe ngezencamgwaco, uthi okoko kwahamba ubabakhe emhlabeni, abomamncane bakhe baziphatha njengezencamgwaco, abaziphathi kahle and bathandana nabafana abancane. And at this point I don't think Isencane Lengane isazophela on our screen, because if you look at my comment section lapha kule clip abayivezile, you can see ukuthi abantu they are enjoying the show, abantu they love the show. I don't wanna lie, I mean I will watch the show just nje ukuthi ngizobuya ngicommente ngayo la. Do I feel like ishow savumele ize TV? Definitely no. And I feel like ukuhamba ke-show ku-TV, it won't stop the abuse that uThando ayithola lapha. It won't stop ukuhlukumeza kabo labo mama bahlukumeza isiyacela, and it don't stop the family being toxic. But I feel like ifamily they need professional help, because ukuthi kubona bangeveli ku-TV and ukubancintshisa inkomlemeni because they are getting paid for the show mus. I think it won't help anything. But at this point ngifila ngathi abantu baku-reality they're adding extra spice, because they know ukuthi South African reality TV show nje mayithulile ingana drama njengeyakalondi, usingazi ukuthi what is what. Abantu they want watch it and abantu anye bayifuna ibuye. Abantu they want drama, abantu they want ukuhlukumeza kwabanye abantu. South Africans I just feel like nathi somehow we are toxic, because we enjoy watching our family are toxic. We enjoy watching our family unhealthy families, because into ezenza kadlambuka, it's not a healthy family, that one, and it's not a healthy environment ukuthi umntwana akakhulela kuye. Remember usiyacela noThando banomntwana, so umntwana uThando makazosho on national TV ukuthi usiyacela nokungibaxabula phambi kengane, le ngane ukhule efamilini enjani. But abantu bayachubeka, if you look at the views of Isencane Lengane, abantu bayachubeka bayibukela, and even abantu bakushow abaceli nje ukuthi mhlambe basisi usiyacela. Remember the previous season bayenzile ngathi basisi usiyacela, but if you look at the show now, kuma clip avelile, you can see ukuthi usiyacela usase toxic, and ngifila ngathi usiyacela uba toxic on the show just because abantu now, I think production abatsho you need to be toxic so that abantu they'll be groomed on our screens, and abantu they'll be glued on their screens, and abantu they'll watch the show, because abantu they are even saying Isencane Lengane is better than ishow kaLondi. It shows ukuthi abantu they just want drama, abantu they just want into enobutoxic, abantu they just want ukuhlukumeza kwabanye abantu, and they don't enjoy the show if akunakuhlukumeza akunamuntu ohlukumezayo, unfortunately for us esingathanda ukuthi sibukele ama-show anganakuthula. But that is all for now bazali bami. Please do comment down below, how do you feel about the new season of Isencane Lengane, and please don't